RMS is a contract medical manufacturer focusing in the interventional, CRM, and the orthopedic markets. We have over 900 machine tools, 500,000 square feet of manufacturing space, around 1,300 employees. We operate 24/7, serving some of the biggest medical manufacturers in the world. Quality is paramount here at RMS. Everything we're making is going inside a human body, or it's going to help improve a human's life. So the parts that we make have to be perfect. It's important that we really work with our operators who are responsible for first line quality before it goes all the way through, that they're able to measure the parts correctly, get the inspections in at a proper time.
A lot of the things that we make here are tabulated for lengths, diameters. In our old system, if anything changed on a print, we would have to go and change 100 different inspection plans. It was a slow, clunky system. It took hours. Now it's one change to one plan. It takes seconds.
I had a team of quality engineers that were looking at softwares. Honestly, it was an easy decision when we found 1factory and started comparing it to other softwares. There was no other competition for what we were looking for.
Nobody quite compared to 1factory.
Previously, we have about 5 or 6 different systems where people are entering data into, all of which gets pretty confusing for the operators if they have to kind of pick and choose where this data goes. With 1factory, all of it's rolled into one. Made it very easy to roll out to the floor, very easy to train too. Everyone understands it. It's just a very simplified way of doing what we were already doing.
When I started, the system that we had in place, it probably took me 30 working hours to just try to understand it, whereas 1factory, you could learn it in about an hour.
The rollout went the best of any rollout of any product type release I've ever done.
The feedback was unanimous as far as ease of use and just the functionality.
A lot of our process is run in multiple machines. One job might have one machine, but then another job is running 8 machines. And 1factory makes it so smooth to be able to run as many machines as you want on a single process.
A print revision that historically would have taken 3 days worth of work to convert IPs now takes 3 minutes.
For a running change in our previous system, could take up to 8 man-hours to complete. In 1factory, that 8 hours could be 2 minutes.
We oftentimes have to send reports to our customers with data, and having the ability to take a quick glance at the data, confirm compliance. 1factory also tells us, just with a quick little stamp at the top, everything is in compliance, and we are able to easily print out all of that information in a really easy to use format and send it to our customers as well.
We're about 1,000 users in 1factory today, and we're still adding more in. We have, I think, 20,000 plans in the system across our 2 sites. And then we have 100 different CMM microview kiosk systems that are tied into the system doing automatic data uploads. So it's a lot to support, and it all happens very seamlessly. It's very fast.
As we've grown, the system has grown with us, flexed with us. You have to have a system that you trust that will grow with you. And we felt that partnership with 1factory as we've gone on this journey with them.
From the beginning, 1factory's been there to answer all of our questions.
The 1factory staff has been very accommodative in working with us and trying to understand what our true requirements are and then addressing it.
They were extremely responsive and helping us navigate how to leverage the features of the system to meet our needs, and equally willing to make improvements to their system to help us ensure compliance to our requirements.
Our previous attempts at different softwares, it's been a bit more challenging to work with change. This team's been great.
I don't want to use the word love, but I really do enjoy using 1factory.